Good morning. This is Ruth with Learn Tech with Ruth. And today we are going to talk about remove image background. So there's a site called remove.bg, and you can very easily remove the background in any picture and then replace it with a different picture, or just have no background at all and use it as a sticker. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So let me upload an image. Okay, so I'm going to take that one. Okay, so as you can see, this is ready right there because the background is removed. I could at this point download it and I could add it to a website or whatever else I want to use it for. But I can also, and this is super cool, change the background to something different. So they have some preloaded ones. Let's check some of these out. Now, of course, you would want to pick a background that would look logical. They have all kinds of different ones. Ooh, I like that. That looks pretty realistic. Yeah. Now, I like this one down here. Ooh, that's very nice too. Let's see. There's some fun ones. Okay, so it's definitely worth exploring. And of course, you can add your own pictures too. So I'm going to select the background. So let's see. I looked at some Puerto Rico pictures. So let me see. I like this one here. Okay. All right. So this is actually in Puerto Rico. So I wish I was going to Puerto Rico because we had a conference there, the AATSP conference. It was supposed to be in San Juan, but it was canceled. So one can dream, right? So now I have a picture. So all I have to do now is download this picture, download image, and save it. And there's my picture. All right, there you have it. This is remove.bg, and it's super easy to use. Now they have a premium account that you can purchase, but just to make a little picture like this, it doesn't cost anything at all. In fact, I didn't even sign up. I just went on the website and did this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Ruth from Learn Tech with Ruth.